You know, when I have big ignorant hair, I feel like a new woman. I do. BTI. We're big, we're thick, we're ignorant. Y'all know, I don't know what it is about big hair. Maybe because my hair is so fine, I got a little snatch of it. You see what I'm saying? Maybe that's why.
I get a little razzle dazzle, y'all.
I keep looking. That's why I keep doing like this. Do your neck like this one time. When you do your neck like that one time, you know you looking at a good style on your head. Now, let me explain to y'all what this is. This is from ISEE Hair, ladies and gentlemen. And it's been a long time. I said I want something big and ignorant. Let me tell you what this is. Kinky, curly, reddish brown, glueless wig, pre-cut, where go. All of those things are true. It is pre-cut. Now, let me tell you, I have 20 inches, I believe. Oh, and that's hot. 20 inches is selling like flapjacks. So that's the hot length. You'll notice I also didn't do my coils. Usually when I do big, beautiful, ignorant hair like this, I do, you know, I coil it up at the ends and have it. But this time I just wanted it to be big and fluffy and ignorant. Now, I still styled it, you know, obviously. You'll see how I did it. I'm not going to be finished snipping this hair probably for another 5 hours. But every time I see a little piece out of place, I'm going to be like, you lost and turned out. That's how I'm going to be. I purposely put on a white t-shirt to make sure that it would not rub on my t-shirt because I don't like when wigs do that. For what? What are you doing? Calm down. Calm down, sir. Calm down. And it's calm, okay? It's calm on them. But yeah, I just had to tell you what this is. Y'all, I'm hyped. I'm going to show you in the demo. You can wear this glueless, okay? I went on and melted it because it looked too good not to be melted. It looked way too good not to be melted. That's why. And it's easy. It was just 4 inches going across and 6 back. You see that part going back? Y'all know I love a little ignorant long Moses part. Y'all know that. Y'all know that. But it's only 4 inches of lace going across that you have to worry about. So I just sprayed that down. Look at that. Look at this right here. Let me come up on you like we finna fight. Let me come up on you like we finna fight. We're not about to fight because that's ugly. But I had to come up on you like this. That's how I had to do it so you could see. But I am about to, hold a minute. I forgot to do something. Let me define this part real quick. Let me just define the part. With my mauve peel off lip liner. And I did this nude lip combo because the hair is so big and bright and beautiful. I didn't want them fighting. I wanted to look like they go together. Yeah, this is beautiful, y'all. Big, beautiful hair it's always going to be a flex for me. Even if it's not my hair. That's how much of a flex it is. But I want you to know there are so many different ways you can do this hair. You can focus on length and you can focus on volume like I did today. I focused on volume today. Hold a minute. Okay, yes, I had to get that. Told you I'm gonna be getting it in order for a little bit at a time. But I love this. It's not hot. It's like nothing. You obviously know you have something on your head, but there's no weight. It's not weighted. It's absolutely beautiful. The color pops. The color is lovely. It's a nice reddish brown, so it's not too much. It's not fire truck red. Red velvet cake. Ooh. And it's so sweet. Oh my God. Y'all don't even know. You think you know, but you don't know, man. Y'all just think you know, man, but you don't. We've talked about this drinking before. And we left you alone thinking you was gonna calm down. What's that from, y'all? We left you alone thinking you was gonna calm down. I'll give you a hint. It's my favorite movie of all time. Honey, they thought he was gonna calm down. He ain't finna calm down. You think he is? He not. No. I absolutely love how this turned out. Now, if you want kind of an elongated style, then what you would do is not fluff like I fluff. You'll see me, I'm doing a whole bunch of finger fluffing, all the things. You wouldn't do that. You would use the curl friend brush. That's my favorite curl brush of all time. If y'all still don't have that brush and y'all like wigs like this, I don't know what you doing. You got to get the brush and you'll see what I'm talking about. One side is the detangling side. That's what you get when you use that side when you first wet it down. Just get it brushed through. Then you flip that sucker over after you put your mousse or something on there. You turn it to the define side and baby, it pops those curls. I ain't doing nothing special as a stylist. Baby, it's about the tools and the product. Huh? Now, I said the quiet part out loud just now. You got skills come with some things. Braiding. Hey, it's not a tool in the world that's gonna teach me how to braid like Beauty can braid. I need my fingers to cooperate. See, my fingers don't do right. But with some things, it's about the tools and the products, big baby. If you want the curls to pop, get you the right brush. Huh? That's it. I'm not gonna keep telling y'all this. Y'all, I'm hyped. I'm hyped because I know y'all gonna like it. Honey, look how that blends in with my skin. I just used my foundation on it. That's how good that lace is. That's why I had to melt it. Because I'm like, if it looked like this, glueless, big baby. Huh? Mm-hmm. Send a message in a bottle, baby. Y'all. Now, y'all, I feel good all over. It is together. Y'all be scared to cut it. I don't really wanna cut, I don't really wanna snip. I be like, girl, don't you even trip, y'all need to get it together. Get it together. Don't be scared, go in there. Ooh, yeah, y'all. Let me get you to this demo. I'm cutting up with y'all. Let me get you to this demo, okay? I said, let me get you to this demo. Look at that hair. Ooh, yawns. Yawns, look at that hair. Look at that hair. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Look at that.
Are we lost? Are we not? Are we real? Are we turning to dust? Do you feel what I feel? Have we changed so damn much? Can we heal? You're not saying a word. Oh, it feels so unreal. We lost all ambition for worldly acclaim. With us, nothing moves forward. It just stays the same. Think you know the answer, but you're playing a game. Thought we stayed together, but you don't feel the same, right? I've been thinking about you. If you think about me, are we thinking this through? If we're not meant to be, and you're doubting in me, tell me why should we feel the